Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards video number 189. I sit down, and today, bam, we go back-to-back soccer breaks, footy football breaks, and go for part 9. I want to get this box done with because I got some plans coming up. We will also open up some mail from Belgium, that has a little to do with soccer as well. Surprise loose pack rip. But first, I'd like to do a couple of shoutouts. First one goes to the kid that collects cards, and that name pretty much says it all. He is a kid who collects cards. I've seen NFL and baseball on there. He's done a VR for Steve Speaks even at his young age. And as is the case with a lot of kids that have YouTube channels, you might not always be able to leave comments, but you could always support him anyway. Last time I checked, he had 44 subs. So check out the videos, they're fun. He's a good guy, as is always the case. I would appreciate it if you check him out, and so would he. I will leave that information in the video description. And next, Fyer Box Breaks. I've given him a couple of shoutouts. Buddy of mine in the community who is, as the name suggesting, pulling fire, all kinds of fire. He's recently done some soccer, so I figured, hey, why not again? I can't wait to see his next video every single time. Dude is surprising me. I will leave that information in the video description as well. All right. Let us begin with the next 10 packs. I will miss this. It is the second last one, but yeah, I'm gonna miss it. Here we go. Iker Casillas. Michael Ballack. Star Power, starting off. Foily, Argentina. I said, Foil. That is an Argentina Foily. All right, John Obi, Michael, and Michael Silbauer. I said, man, that was a start. We have a storm going on right now. Probably because I have music on in the background, you will not be hearing the thunder going off. But it's possible we lose power, I guess. And if that happens, I will continue to roll the camera in. Because this is operated on batteries, Although it might be in the dark, I'll probably have to open the curtains and we'll deal with that if it happens. Yazid Manzouri. Scott McDonald. Oh, Nederland. I said, Man. Oh, Star Power. Pirlo. Power, Man, this break has made up for the last one, that's for sure. Simone Rolfes. Man, that was intense. Sit down, Star Power. Okay. Oh. Raul. Alfio. Thought it was somebody else. Podolski. I said Star Power. Branko Ilic. We do have this one as well. And Taiwo. Jeremy Christie. New Zealand. Wow. Man. What else can possibly happen here? We got a sticker being stuck to the package. All right. Murad Magni. Oh, Foily, soccer ball, Foily, soccer ball, Man, beautiful. Oh, Star Power. Ronaldinho. I said, oh. Foily. Slovenia. Man, Humberto Suazo. Holy star power. Man. Whew, this has quickly become one of the better rips of the box. But yeah, hard to beat the Messi and Ronaldo we pulled. We got a lot of good players. Cesc Fabregas, Chinedu Obasi Ugbuku, Martin Petras, Robert Wittig, and Claudio Morel Rodriguez. Man. Hear that thunder going off. Well, there is thunder going on in here too. Let me tell you, man. Rafik Safi, Sotirnes Ninis, Andres Guardado. Oh, star power! I said, Dirk uit Nederland. Yeah, man. Nederland. Dirk uit, I said, star power. Man. Oguchi Onyewu. Team USA. Bringing up the difficulty in the last names here. Alright. A little bit of a curveball there. You see the American flag, you're like, oh, alright. I got this, I got this. Down! Got nothing, man. Alright. Oh. Star power, yeah, Fernando Torres, man. Look at that pile of star power players, man. Obina Nwaneri, yeah. I had it. Georgios Staitaridis, Merek Cech, Mauricio Isla. All right. Last 3 packs. Holy, what a star power loaded rip. Ooh, yeah. And for those thinking maybe I left all the packs at the bottom, no, I mixed them all up. The two breaks that are left was one of the last 10 and one of the first 10 that I just set aside for the last 20. Walter Samuel, there's some damage here, man. Domenico Crescito, Jose Yoni Magalon, Bakari Kone, and Eden Berdio. Oh, man. Glad that damaged pack didn't have any good players there. We were lucky on those other ones. The thing about stickers, man, unless they're those Topps ones that they've been coming out with for the last few years in hockey, then they could easily get damaged. Eric Abidal, Simon, oh, this is the one that gave me a hard time last time. Cher, I'll guess. Aminu Dramani, Georgios Karagunis, of course.
Don't forget about Pele.
Marco Estrada. All right. Here we go. Last pack. We'll go for a little bit of last pack mojo here.
Multiple names, soccer, football, foosball. Kicking some balls is fun for all.
Foily. My game is fair play. Yeah. Nice. I said foil. Marco Borriello. Ooh. Kim Do-hyun. Look at that look. I said. Andre Beaky.
They want a reason.
Luis Ramos.
I'll give you a reason. One, two,
All right. Holy.
prima donna.
Now, before we go on our recap, let us just open that
Hot doggers, yeah.
piece of mail here.
Show open the hot dogs.
Make sure there is no
Ooh, yeah, yeah.
bill. Probably wouldn't be. On the move.
Footy, football, football, a beautiful game. Multiple
Take a
names.
look at that, man.
Football,
2006.
kicking
Yeah.
some balls is fun.
Packs that never arrived. Well, found a seller in Belgium who has like 6 options of these stickers, and for one pack, some of them were crazy expensive and some were cheap, so I figured I'll go for the cheap ones. And I don't know if that means that there's no chance at the Ronaldo rookie or the Messi because of the packs I went for. I mean, why would the other ones be more expensive? There was just as many stickers in each of them. They had like horizontal, Canadian, German version, you know, and foily version, but
Do you remember when France?
yeah, whatever.
Italy,
I went with the ones that could
World
be
Cup final?
afforded.
I remember, yeah. That Italian dude.
So
was talking
we'll see
trash.
what happens here. We'll leave the foily pack for last
Headed to the chest.
and get right into 2006. Now, there are some big names, big name rookies here.
It's a headed to the
Oh,
chest. Down.
Portugal,
He can take
I
a rest
said
now.
Manish,
A permanent rest now.
Nicola
Dying
Ziki,
on beast mode. Headed to the chest now. Permanent
David
rest now.
Albelda. Oh, Star Power, Philip Koku, I said, man, I said down,
Football.
and Team Korea.
Beautiful game.
Wow.
Multiple names.
All of
Soccer,
a sudden,
football,
this has been
foosball.
a Star Power loaded break, and I got a Portuguese PC member. Okay, come on now. Don't stick on me. I do not want any damage on this product. On any product, really. Oh, look at this. Is sticking real bad. Okay. Even the back. All right. Steve Cherundolo from Team USA. Mehdi Ramati from Team Iran. Alberto Gilardino, Team Italy. Foily mascot. I said we got a mascot hit. Yeah. Man. And oh, Star Power, Rafael van der Vaart, Nederland. Man, we are getting it done. Getting it done. Wow. All right. Last pack, foily pack. So, who knows why these packs were the cheaper option, but there was enough Star Power in there. Foily. Vyacheslav Svirderski. Yahuhar Nari. Landon Donovan. Holy, he looks young there. I'm not sure if that's a rookie, but if it is, you know. Swirly with the information. Sebastian Mila. And our last sticker. Alessandro Santos from Japan. Remix. All right. So, wow, that had a lot of fun. With our 2006, we have our mascot hit, Foily. Yeah. We have our Dutch Star Power, Philip Koku, Rafael van der Vaart. We have our Manish. We have, for 2010 World Cup, Star Power, yeah, Fernando Torres. Dirk Kuyt, I said. Ronaldinho, man. Lucas Podolski. Andrea Pirlo, I said. Nederland, I said down. Michael Ballack, I said start power. Loaded rip, man. Foilies. My game is foil play. Slovenia, man, yeah. Soccer ball, yeah. Footy football, man. Argentina foil. Beautiful. Look at that. Cool logo. Look at what's going on there. Shiny foily madness. Oh yeah, all kinds of madness. Yeah. Amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the break. I did. Please give the video a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment. Check out the shoutouts from earlier. And I'll see you guys soon. Real.